Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga on www.radiocentroamerica.com. Now going global through New York's newest LMB Roots Radio. Tune in by dialing www.lmbroots.com. And if you have TuneIn application on your smartphone, look it up under LMB Radio. LMB Radio. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centro America and its host, DJ Labuga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe, Belize, and Caribbean and American cuisine restaurant is just a place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to each and every one of you. I know we're a little bit early than normal. Usually we start at 8 o'clock. From now on, it's been 8 o'clock since last week, as a matter of fact. But due to the fact that we have a lot of people online, we wanted to make sure we continue with the momentum. And since we're honoring the beautiful Garifuna women, we decided to start the show a little bit early. We have a lot of music for you, music from all of the divas out there, from Paula Castillo to Lady Lard, to, the list is big. Gloria, Osiris, Paula Castillo, Dolores Norales, Sally Reyes, Takia, Elodia Norberto, Sofía and Silvia Blanco, Chela Torres, Bernadine Flores, Sarita Martinez, Desiree Diego, Julia Núñez, Rosa Bermúdez, Alba and Marcella Arana, Damiana Gutierrez, Ibimeni Group of Los Angeles, Sandra from Cielpa, Cleta of La Guira Garifuna, Erika Martinez from former member of Chicas Rolands, Tommy Avila, Tomasita Avila from Labuga in New York, Grupo Folklorico Garifuna from Livingston, also Umalali Garifuna, Garifuna Culture Group of Los Angeles, Georgette Lambi, Ballet Folklorico Garifuna de Honduras, featuring Neta, and of course Erika Ciego, Darla Lewis, Exotic Sister Darla Lewis, Lady Bew, Colcha Jam, Marta Guevara, Virgin Enriquez, and Miriam Martin, and many, many more. Of course, we also had mentioned the folkloric group from Livingston, Lidibu Suerte. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are live, and I want to send a big shout out to all of our listeners in Belize. We have Angela Palacio listening, and many, many people who are going to join us briefly. I'm trying to send as much information out there on Facebook. My Facebook page is Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa. Make sure you hit me so we could become friends. So all of the postings that I do from this beautiful tribute to Garifuna women in music, you are able to receive. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We're going to play a little bit of music as we get ready to receive a phone call from the Queen of Salsa. And of course, I'm talking about Gloria, Osiris, who will be calling from Houston, Texas at about 8 o'clock. So, Kemutia, Wabinaha, Wafeduha, Luma DJ Labuga, every Wednesday, 8 o'clock.
Okay. Remole, Luresote, your baby, aka Albert Mina, home head Liberia, Luaguaba Lado Runo, Lumago Rohamani, Mago Buhageme home.
Yo, baby! Yo, man!
Balabadana, Turaniga Banane, Irulado.
Ni
To God be the glory, great things He has done. His goodness was manifested with my mother Simeona Valerio, who was our mentor, rock, and inspiration. I thank you, God, for my many blessings, to include my deceased mother, who gave me life, my children and grandchildren, my second chance in life, a very supportive family to include Boots, my brothers and sisters, my true friends and fans. My mother was a very impressive woman. Not only could she sing, but she composed her own songs. This background music was something she started and didn't finish. God knows who was talking about her, as Simeona sang about her trials and tribulations, her joys and her sorrows. She sang about her children and their misfortunes, their ups and their downs. I give much thanks to my sister Virgin, who picked up where my mother left off and inspired me at the same time. A special thanks to my nephew and road dog Tony, aka Garif. You set this wheel in motion with your album, The Conco Nation. You believed in me, and I'm glad I came through for you. This album would not be complete if there wasn't an Umalali studio and its very talented engineers, Glenn Q. Garcia and Spice Killer, aka Dugada. Thanks for your patience, choreography, and mixing techniques. Those drums be rocking because you make them talk. A special mention to my deceased brothers-in-law, Joseph Castillo, aka Joe Tom, and Albert Mena, aka Yo Baby, for the Parandas. You may be gone, but your spirit lives on. I thank you, Mom, for your gift to me. To show my gratitude, I dedicate this CD to your memory. Sereme Boom Nogucho. Oh
wata wapina hata la mune. Sexy cute
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome via telephone line and from her beautiful home in Los Angeles, one of the divas of Punta music, of Garifuna music, I could say, Miss Sally Reyes. Ida Benya, ni tu. Okay, I am so glad that you were able to take my call. It is an honor for us here at Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. It's a radio program that I have on a weekly basis, and I take the opportunity to showcase Garifuna music. And with that, I want to educate the public about the quality of music and performance that we have in the diaspora. And you are one of them. Your music is contagious. Your music is beat. It's got that drumming. It's got that flavor. So welcome to my show. And the microphone is yours, Miss Sally Reyes. Tell me who you are. And I want you to greet the audience in Dangriga, Belize. In New York, we have a lot of people listening in Los Angeles, all over the world. We are live.
Okay, thank you very much. I feel very honored to be in this category because I wasn't expecting it. I did one CD. I did one CD because, okay, my name is Sally Reyes. I'm Sally Enriquez Reyes. I am a native of Dangriga, Belize. I was born in Dangriga. I'm a Belizean. Garifuna. My mother is a Belizean. My mother was a singer. My mother was a composer. My mother was an artist. My mother was a gayusa. My mother was everything. So growing up as a child, I have always been singing and listening to Garifuna because my mother made Garifuna songs. My mother, like everyone from her time, they sing about their trials, their tribulations, things they go through, things that happen to them in their lifetime. And it was very interesting.
Yes.
You know, I was one of the people who were born into this culture, and I appreciate every bit of it.
Yes, no, it's one album that you have recorded, but the album has energy, it has meaning, it has good music. I mean, the music that I was just playing earlier, man, it was just beautiful. And every time I DJ at any party, you know, I make sure that I play your album. So today we are honoring you, the beautiful women of the Garifuna diaspora. I think women play a very important role, not only as mothers, but also as the ones that educate the children. That's why the children retain the language the way the woman speaks it for as long as before they become a man. So I think the function as a woman, not only as a mother, an educator, but also as gayusa, as the movers and shakers in our society today is very important. So I wanted to take a minute to thank you, to honor you, and to showcase your talent. Your music is beautiful. You come from a family of, with a musical passion, with a musical, I don't know, the genes are there. So your mom was the one that injected you with the culture, with the music.
Yes,
right?
she did. Yes, she did. And as a result of her, you know, we're a family of artists. And for those who don't know, Garif is my nephew. He's my sister's virgin son. Virgin is an artist also. Yes. Virgin makes songs, and she's a gayusa. So that album that I made was a composition of my mother's songs, Virgin songs, and my songs.
Beautiful, beautiful. I have Angela Palacio on Facebook, and she's giving you heads up. She's like, I'm listening. I'm loving it.
She is one of my number one fan. Angie did me real well with, I might be exaggerating when I said she bought just about all my CDs.
That's beautiful. Thank you. That's nice.
And they really love it. And I'm glad that I could give the people something that they could appreciate, because that's why I put a lot of time into it. I didn't rush it because I wanted it not to collect dust on the shelf, but to be played all the time.
Now, you still have CDs available. If people are interested in buying it, can they buy it online?
Yes, I still have CDs available.
Okay, so If you want to contact Sally Reyes, she's on Facebook under Sally, Sally, Reyes, Reyes, or she could also be reached how?
My cell phone number is 323 646
Okay.
1406.
Okay, let's repeat it one more time so we could give it to the public. Again, area code 323
646
646 1406. Okay, that's for Sally Reyes, everybody. I am typing the phone number. I'm making it public with your permission. And so you could order your CD. It is worth it. You could pay $10, $15, $20 if you want. It's worth it. It's a beautiful CD with good music. So I wanted to play a song that has a lot of meaning and it means something to you. And you suggested that I play the song Dear to Your Mom. And it's called, go ahead and introduce the song and tell us about this song, how it was born, how you made it.
Lidere Hagreha?
Yes.
With Lidere Hagreha is a very popular song among I'm tempted to say Belizean, but I hear it with other Garifuna people. Aremo Hamut Labuga na Aremo Hamut Indurana. It is a popular song, and I don't think it will ever go away. Ladigati Sungwagia. At some point in time in our life, especially Wagehiario, Dari hadwa Ierio has sungtua adiga home and Mabuse Rumeme Hamutua. And that was what inspired my mom, because I had a sister, her name is Pauline, and she lived with this guy, had 4 kids for him, and 4 kids later he decided she wasn't good enough, and he went and married he went and married somebody else. So that's where the part is Malati Badigu Bitilu Yeri Ahi Mama Lube Bani Lira Hiro te Bidani Lobo, which is the truth. And I always say that Marguduti Aranyu Erio, kids do not hold men. Men will go and you know what is so sad? The woman he married didn't have any kids.
Oh wow. Well,
yes, the woman he married didn't have any kids. So like my mother, it was the song is therapy for us. Song is therapy for us. Whenever we get real overwhelmed and don't know where else to turn, we sit down and we compose a song.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful. And Sally, the name of the album the people want to order is called Tidewese.
Tidewese.
That's it. That's the name of the album, right?
Tidewese in Garifuna means a gift. And because I wanted to memorialize my mother, since she's not alive anymore, Tidewese is a gift, and it is a two-way street, because it was a gift from my mother to me, which is the gift of song, and then the CD is a gift from me to my mother.
Oh,
so
that's beautiful.
That's why I name it Tidewese Simeona, because I consulted Roy Cayetano, who is very good in the Garifuna language, better than I am. I expressed to him how I felt and what I was looking for, and he was the one who came up with the word Tidewese. I will not lie. I did not know the word Tidewese until Roy Cayetano introduced it to me.
Oh, that's beautiful. There you go.
So
Big
that's
up to
the meaning
Roy
of the
Cayetano.
song, that it's a gift.
Yes, big up to Roy Cayetano, who might be listening in Dangriga. I sent the invitation to him early on today, and hopefully he's listening. But we have a lot of people online listening, especially those in New York. I want you to take a minute, Sally, to acknowledge all the Garinagu listening in the Bronx, in Brooklyn, and all over the East Coast. Please.
Garifuna is a very important language, and we need to be proud of it and not be ashamed to speak it, sing it, read it, write it, because I do all that. I really appreciate all the people who are listening. I really appreciate the people who appreciate my CD, because that was my mission. I really, really appreciate the people who have bought my CDs and continue to buy my CDs.
Thank you, Sally. So let's play this song, which is very dear to you, and it brings you back memories of your mom. Thank you so much, Sally, for checking in. It is a pleasure to have you live. And now we're going to move on. We have a long show, so we wanted to showcase more than 2 songs from your album. So I was able to play with this one would be 4 songs. So thank you so much. Aba Iseni, I love you, and we love you a lot as a member of our I would say Hall of Fame, honoring the Garifuna women who are talented like you. Thank you, Sally.
I feel so honored. Thank you, DJ Labuga. Sereme hon song eduhenyo.
Ayo, abaiseni.
Ayo.
Eduhenyo. Lao teremo semuna to nucho. Lo actas group Berlin to nibuge. Kaima lao.
Sama, hero go be, pasamari apna, logo be bagare. Kadibia sama, hero go be, pasamari apna, logo be bagare. Afigi apupuya, namulelua. Afigi apupuya, namulelua. Mapara la butia, la miselo le vari
ay, ay. Sexy, cute, ale. Ay, tómate ansale. Modigalita. Ruben, no papi. Tambor.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe, Belize, and Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just a place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centroamerica and its host, DJ Labuga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, muchas gracias por estar en sintonía con mi programa. El día de hoy estamos dándole un tributo muy especial a todas las mujeres garífunas en el círculo de la música. Así es de que queremos darle la bienvenida también a Radio Guira 99.9 FM, que está en vivo retransmitiéndonos allá en Trujillo. Así es de que gracias a Murphy Valentine también, porque nos está retransmitiendo a través de radiogarifuna.com. So thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach. Desde Long Beach, California. Salimos al aire todos los miércoles de 8 a 10 de la noche, hora de Los Ángeles. So we are live. We had previously Sally Reyes, very beautiful woman, very talented, from a very talented family, from Virgin Enriquez to Virgin son Garif. Garif is well known for his music as well. And of course, Miss Sally Reyes, thank you so much. And we posted the phone number for people to go ahead and order her CD online or by giving her a call. But we have a very special guest. Tenemos a alguien muy especial, muy dentro de nuestro corazón. Siempre amamos a nuestra música garífuna, pero también amamos a la gente de talento como a la señora Gloria Osiris, que es más conocida como la guarachera de Puerto Barrios de Guatemala. Así es de que, Gloria Osiris, bienvenida, mi amor, ¿cómo está? Buenas noches.
Muchas gracias, Ronnie, muchas gracias. Saludos a todo el garifunado, a toda mi Guatemala bella, a todo el radio escucha. Yo estoy muy honrada, me siento muy honrada el saber lo que está haciendo Ronnie, la verdad, un amulecito, como yo le digo. Yo estoy feliz y muy agradecida de lo que está haciendo. Eso nos ayuda mucho a enfocarnos en lo que es realmente nuestra música y lo que es nuestra gente, porque mucha gente desconoce lo que es.
Sí, yo sé. Mucha gente no está enterada del talento que tenemos en la comunidad garífuna. Yo quiero de que por favor dé un saludo muy cordial con todo corazón a todas las madres garífunas. Ay,
la verdad, la mujer garífuna, al igual que la mujer indígena, es una madre, es madre padre, le llamo yo, ¿verdad? El árbol que siempre se ha plantado. La mujer garífuna es muy trabajadora, muy dedicada a sus hijos, muy dedicada a su hogar. Lo mismo la indígena, la mujer indígena es lo mismo, dedicada a sus hijos. Sabe que la mujer garífuna siembra, hace todo de todo para los niños. Uh-huh. Y yo les quiero exhortar a estas nuevas mujeres garífunas e indígenas, a todas las mujeres del globo terráqueo, que se dediquen más a sus hijos independientemente de que estén trabajando. Uh-huh. Que los cuiden mucho, porque hay mucha maldad en la calle, y entonces si no nos enfocamos a cuidar a nuestros niños, no nos va muy bien, que digamos. Sí. Muchos saludos, les brindo todo mi amor, toda mi espiritualidad, todo lo que yo les pueda dar a nuestra gente, a nuestras madres. Yo se las brindo de todo corazón. Les mando un abrazo, un besote bien grandote. Gracias, mi amor. Para todas las madres garífunas. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Gloria Osiris on the line from Houston, Texas. She is known as the
next Celia Cruz. She sings like Celia Cruz, but she has her own identity, and she also sings in Garifuna. So it's a beautiful lady who was born in Guatemala and has been in the music industry for a long time. She used to live in Puerto Rico, singing along the great salsa performers, and of course New York and Guatemala and in Los Angeles, and now she is live with Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Así es de que saludos a toda la gente linda allá de Radio Guira 99.9 allá en Trujillo, y también a Radio Garifuna que está conectado con nosotros en vivo, LMB Roots Radio en Nueva York y Radio Centroamérica aquí en Los Ángeles. Mi amor, Gloria, quiero que por favor me complazca con algo. Yo quiero que se recuerde de un tema, de una canción, que su madre le cantaba cuando era niña, así es que se recuerda que tal vez no la puede cantar con su linda voz para honorar, para darle pues ese auge el día de hoy. Que... Está bien, vamos mi amor.
Oh,
ay, qué rico.
Ay, qué rico. La canción dice así, para mí es un himno y se la dedico a todo el ángel negro que poblamos el globo terráqueo, pues. Y yo soy pintor, nacido en mi tierra, con el pincel extranjero, pintor que sigues el rumbo de tantos pintores viejos, aunque la Virgen sea blanca, píntale angelitos negros que también se van al cielo, todos los negritos buenos. Pintor, si pintas el amor, ¿por qué desprecias mi color? Si sabes que en el cielo también nos quiere Dios. Siempre que pintas iglesias, pintas angelitos bellos, pero nunca te acordaste de pintar un ángel negro con amor,
bravo.
Siempre.
Ay, Gloria Osiris, ladies and gentlemen, para ustedes en vivo y a todo color. Un saludo muy cordial, Gloria, te manda Murphy Valentine de Garifuna Link, allá en Radio Garifuna en Nueva York. Dice que
ay, Dios me lo bendiga.
Sí, dale.
No, y mi amigo, yo lo quiero mucho, lo amo, le mando 1000 besos y medio, porque ese medio para que cuando vaya a Nueva York él me lo devuelva.
Qué linda. Y Murphy Valentine from Garifuna Radio Garifuna in New York is telling us that we have listeners in New Orleans, also Chicago, 2 in Brazil, 1 in Japan, and 1 in two in Tegucigalpa, Honduras, and 2 in La Ceiba on radiogarifuna.com. Así es de que mándale un saludo muy cordial a esa gente del Japón, de Brasil, de Chicago, de Nueva Orleans y de Tegucigalpa y La Ceiba, por favor.
Yo le mando ese saludo, don especial, pero quiero decirle algo, mire, mi hermanito. Le mando un saludo muy especial a mi gente de Trujillo, porque mi abuela, Cándida Cacho, era de Trujillo, para que lo sepa.
¡Wow!
Sí, yo soy de los Cachos de Trujillo, sí. Entonces mi abuela, la Cándida Cacho, que me dicen que se parece físicamente a mí, porque cuando la conoció estaba muy chamaquita, pero físicamente yo soy toda la Cándida Cacho. Y yo le mando un besote bien grandote, un abrazote a Honduras garifunado completo.
¡Bravo, Honduras! ¡Quemo! Gracias, sí, Gloria.
No
gracias, mi amor.
Estoy súper emocionada porque no es fácil tener tanta gente que lo quiera uno y uno muchas veces ni cuenta se da.
Es cierto.
Pero yo, créame que yo amo, yo me siento orgullosa de ser garífuna de pura cepa. pero déjeme decirle también que tengo mi ramalazo por ahí de indígena, algo me contaron por ahí. Un día que nos encontremos le voy a explicar lo que pasó por ahí.
Ay.
Sí,
Gloria, le
sí.
tenía una pregunta. Fíjese que me gusta su estilo cuando canta en Garifuna. Voy a tocar esta canción que salió hace años con el Garifuna Star Band, que se llama Paseando. Es una canción rica, con mucho sabor y mensaje. Pero quiero preguntarle qué hay de planes rapidito para luego irnos a la canción y despedirnos de Gloria Osiris, la guarachera. ¿Qué hay de planes? ¿Qué hay en el estudio?
Pues los estamos grabando y estamos haciendo un CD con mi productor, Gadu Núñez, porque es el productor de este nuevo material. Entonces, porque me tienen un homenaje, según me soplaron por ahí, que me van a hacer un homenaje en Puerto Barrios en diciembre, y entonces ese material lo estamos preparando para llevarlo a nuestra gente. Y bueno, a todo nuestro público, pues llevarle algo fresco, algo nuevo, sí.
Qué rico, mi amor, gracias. Entonces vamos a presentar, ladies and gentlemen, la canción de Paseando con Garifuna Star Band, con la voz linda, la voz sutil de Gloria Osiris. Gloria, quiero que presente esta canción, por favor, y que nos diga qué es el significado. Ajá, sí, mi amor.
Yo le digo que yo le quiero decir que lo admiro, lo amo en el sentido de que yo lo quiero, lo amo como que fuera mi hijo, ¿sabe?
Gracias, mi amor.
Y yo le doy gracias, y en el nombre de todo el Garifuna de Honduras, Belize, Nicaragua, donde esté, le doy gracias en nombre de toda mi gente por lo que usted está haciendo. Dios me lo bendiga y le abra puertas siempre, ¿sabe?
Gracias, mi amor, gracias. Esto me da más aliento, más energía para seguir luchando.
Usted sabe que puede contar conmigo siempre.
Gracias, mi amor. Eso
siempre,
es lindo
siempre,
saber.
en el nombre de Jesús.
Gracias, mi amor.
Sí.
Pues
cuídeseme mucho, ¿sabe?
Gracias, mi cielo.
Yo le mando un abrazote bien grandote a todos, a toda nuestra Guatemala bella, a todo Centroamérica, a toda Latinoamérica, más que nada.
Claro que sí. Así es de que vamos a presentar la canción de Gloria Osiris, que se llama Paseando. Gloria, por favor, nos puede presentar la canción y contarnos cuál es el tema detrás de esta canción, cuál es el significado.
Esta canción, me la presentó, la primera vez que escuché esta canción la escuché con mi madre. Muchas de las canciones que yo interpreto, aún las de salsa, yo las aprendí con mi mamá. Y entonces cuando yo llego con Garifuna Star Band, entonces ya la había grabado el Batachá, pero entonces yo grabé otra canción. Entonces yo le digo a los muchachos, bueno, vamos a grabar Paseando. Entonces, pero yo me fui a Puerto Rico porque tenía que ir a Puerto Rico a hacer un evento. Y cuando volví ya la pista estaba montada. Entonces ahí llegué con Big Junior. Ajá. Y la grabamos así. En un ratito estaba cayendo una nieve horrorosa en Nueva York. Ajá. Que fue en enero. Y estaba horriblemente, pero el calor que entró en ese estudio, en ese momento con Paseando, oiga, ve. Ahí mismo se lo presento con todo el amor del mundo.
Gracias, mi amor. Un saludo para Gloria Osiris de parte de Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach. Bienvenido Radio Centroamérica, bienvenido Guiriga, Radio Guiriga allá en Trujillo. Bienvenido también Radio Garifuna y LMB Roots Radio. Gracias, mi amor. Nos vemos otro día y bendiciones para usted.
Ok, mi vida, muchas bendiciones. Saludos a todos los músicos del mundo entero.
Bungyu Buma. Ayo.
Ayo, vamos a niña buna mule.
Thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live. We're presenting a tribute to Garifuna women. This is a show that is dedicated to the proud Garifuna women in music from Los Angeles via Belize, Lady Lard, Dolores Norales, Sally Reyes, who was here earlier on a phone call, Miss Virgin Enriquez, who we played a song already, Georgette Lambi coming up, Culture Jam, Lady Bew, Ibimeni Group from New York. I'm sorry, Bimini Group from Los Angeles, also Garifuna Culture Group, Hamalali Garinagu from Aunt Martha's Group, Asiatic Sister Darla Lewis will be featured today, and also we're honoring from New York via Belize, Miss Miriam Martin. From Guatemala, we have Lidibu Suerte Cultural Group. From Guatemala via Houston, Gloria Osiris, who just left, and from New York, Paula Castillo and Tommy Avila. Cleta, La Guira, Garifuna. From Honduras, Ballet Folklorico Garifuna de Honduras, featuring Ernestina Fernandez, a.k.a. Neta, and Erika, Ciego. From Trujillo, Takia. And from Triunfo de la Cruz via ex-member, via New York, Sandra Zuñiga, who is an ex-member of Cielpa. And also Marta Guevara, Nanaku. Marta Guevara will be featured as well. She's from Honduras, who used to live in New York. She passed away. Rest in peace, her soul. Miss Erika Martinez, ex-member of Chicas Rolands, will be featured as well. From Belize, Guatemala, and Honduras, the Umalali Garifuna Women's Project, featuring Eloria Norberto, Sofia and Silvia Blanco, Chela Torres, Bernadine Flores, Sarita Martinez, Desiree Diego, Julia Núñez, Rosa Bermudez, Alba and Marcela Arana, and Damiana Gutierrez. I am sure that there are other women who were well known in their communities for their musical talent, but who did not get a chance to record their music, such as Miss Marcella Lewis from Dangriga, who is also no longer with us. Also Francisca Alvarez and Anis Rodriguez from Livingston, Labuga. They are from the Castillo family. I have prepared a very special but difficult show to produce because of the number of women who have recorded excellent music along the years. So Lady Lard is coming up next, and she and Dolores Norales recorded several songs in the early 70s and 80s, and I dare to say the 60s as well, here in Los Angeles, along with Don Justo Flores. The band was called Ritmo Caribe Combo, but they promoted themselves as the Garifuna Singers. I hope you enjoy my show. The show is produced by myself, Ronnie Figueroa, aka DJ Labuga, in media management by my wife, Cheryl L. Norales. You could catch this recording as a podcast later on tomorrow, and will be available on demand for your listening pleasure on YouTube Gafu channel. You just type Gafu, G-A-H-F-U channel, and you could listen on demand after today. I also want to send a big shout out all the way to Texas to Janet Guiti Savio, who likes the show. And of course, we got a couple of people listening in. Let's see. From RadioGarifuna.com, listening in New Orleans, of course. Big up to the people listening in New Orleans. And Miss Del Ogaldes listening in Chicago. Marcella Lewis is from Hopkins. Thank you, Del, for that. Thank you for staying awake with me. Welcome, New York. Welcome, Los Angeles. Bienvenido, Radio Guiriga, allá en Trujillo, 99.9 FM. And welcome to all of the listeners from RadioCentroamerica.com right here in Los Angeles. Also, Radio Garifuna in New York with Murphy Valentine, Mr. Garifuna Link, in LMB Roots Radio with Jonathan Silva. Here is Lady Lard, ladies, and this is called Le Damo Gyo.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, estábamos escuchando a Lady Lard de Belize, de Los Ángeles. Ella vivió mucho tiempo aquí en Los Ángeles y grabó esta música en los años 60 y 70. Así de que, thank you for listening. We are live. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. I want to send a big shout out to Chantel Garcia from Culture Jam, who we are featuring a little bit later on tonight. Of course, Dale Ogaldes from Chicago, Dina Sanchez in Los Angeles, also Hazel Caroline Gamboa Lopez listening in Guatemala City, and of course, Janet Guiti Sabio in Texas. So thank you again, Veronica Avila, Jorge Amilcar Ellington, and of course, Miss Palacio, listening in Belize City, that is. Okay, so this is a special tribute to the Garifuna women in music. And now we got the one and only Miss Georgette Lambi along with Nuru on this beautiful rendition of the song called Lufuru Lili Papa. Thank you again, once again, this is DJ Labuga Garifuna, Music and Talk.
Higo kunamuleno yuruhama, ayano hana muga hama namuleno, larigile mayano andina metie huma nafaya ha ay hawe namuleno. Higo kunamuleno yuruhama, ayano hana muga hama namuleno, larigile mayano andina metie huma nafaya ha ay hawe namuleno. Nebuga aguyo, nebuga ha, nebuga aguyo, nebuga aguyo, nebuga hawe na muleno.
Lufuru Papa. Hey G, are you ready for this one? I want some dibble.
Labuga hamana muleno, larigile mayano adina mete huma napaya ha ay hawe na muleno. Higo na muleno yuruhama, ayano hana muga hamana muleno, larigile mayano adina mete huma napaya ha ay hawe na muleno. Nebuga aguyo, nebuga ha, nebuga aguyo, nebuga aguyo, nebuga hawe na muleno. Wahama haye na muleno uwaraguni erebe. Nabuleta wahama haye na muleno uwaraguni erebe. Migro humoti ya hagu chuta buguo, yara fagu huma memoguwa hamaguo. Magura humeiti ayele rasa garifuna, ni rasa na muleno uwaraguni erebe. Nebuga aguyo, nebuga ha, nebuga aguyo, nebuga aguyo, nebuga hawe na muleno.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, giving a special tribute to Garifuna women in music, and we're featuring Georgette Lambi. Now we got Georgette along with Alvin Payne and this is called Suti Gabafute.
masere melu abure me wabungi te Rua masere melu abure me Richatilu itugu seremelu Rua ma seremelu Suntiga bafo Rua ma seremelu Agusile
Sereme wayapu Mungi agusile Sereme wayapu Suntiga bafo Sereme ya wayapu bafo Sule ya beyo bobo Bitugu Amungi usuntiga bafo Rudu wa gracia Sereme wayapu Mungi agusile Sereme wayapu Suntiga bafo Sereme ya wayapu bafo Sule ya beyo bobo Bitugu Amungi usuntiga bafo Rudu wa gracia
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the beautiful music of Georgette Lambi featuring Alvin Payne and of course Nuru. We are paying a tribute to Garifuna women in music. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Queremos darle la bienvenida a nuestra nueva radio, Radio Garifuna de Garifuna Link en Nueva York con el señor Murphy Valentine. También un saludo muy cordial para Radio Guira 99.9 FM allá en Trujillo. Así es de que también bienvenidos a LMB Roots Radio en New York y Radio Centroamérica aquí en Los Ángeles, California. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We're doing a special tribute to Garifuna women in music. Now we are going to feature a woman who has a very sticky beat. A beat that you don't want to stop dancing to. And this is Takia. Takia is from Honduras and she used to do music right along with Macaco. Macaco, who's living here in Los Angeles. So we're going to introduce to you the music from Takia from Sagusuti, Arena Caliente from Honduras. Así de que bienvenidos a todas las personas que están con nosotros. Big up to Tracy Palacio in Los Angeles, listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and of course Angela Palacio listening in Belize, who also has the CDs available for Sally Reyes. Okay, Motia, Takia is coming up next with the song Da.
Mota wara do no pundili, porque mota wai babu. Hele bita gara balle, ana
All right, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful. Thank you. I want to send a big shout out to all of the beautiful people in Trujillo, from Melesio Gonzalez to Carlos Domingo Alvarez. And we are live on Guira FM radio station 99.9 FM. Also Radio Garifuna in New York, LMB Roots Radio in New York from Labuga 502 crew. And also Radio Centroamerica right here in downtown Los Angeles. So we are live. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Today we are presenting a tribute to Garifuna women. Special appearances early on today. We have Sally Reyes and Gloria Osiris, La Guarachera. We also have lots of listeners in Japan, in, well, I can't even remember where, but there was a whole mess of people who reported themselves on radiogarifuna.com. Now, we're moving on to the Umalali Garifuna Women's Project, and this one features a host of Garifuna women from Guatemala, Honduras, and Belize, including Elodia Norberto, Sofía and Silvia Blanco, Chela Torres, Bernardine Flores, Sarita Martinez, Desiree Diego, Julia Núñez, Rosa Bermúdez, Alba y Marcela Arana, Damiana Gutierrez. And so we're going to listen to a cut called Luwuburi Sigala, Hills of Tegucigalpa, las montañas de Tegucigalpa, from the Masagu Fernandez Witty family. Okay, Kemotia, this is a special tribute to Garifuna women in music. Fernandez Witty, and this is the song from Umalali Garifuna, the women's project called Luwuburi Sigala. Now, Julia Núñez with the Little Biganote. This is a tribute, special tribute to Garifuna women. Now is Chela Torres and Desiree Diego with Merua.